1, 2, 3, start.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Pyasa Devakar. I am from JPHS Dumgudam High School. I am tell about what would a leader make. What's a true leader? True leader means a true leader not coverage, and a true leader makes a true leader people is a leader like that. And what true leader inspire others to achieve themselves, and they inspire to others. And a true leader honest, reliable, and have a clear integrity of their people. Sometimes a true leader like a king like a lion is a king. The lion is a king of a forest is the true leader like a king of society. Society means we are all our society people. So the leader could make people happy, honest, reliable, and self-awareness. So the leader could make self-awareness of the people, and the people are a leader, not true leader. In elections time, some candidates are come to the house, go to the people's houses and ask, please vote me. But that leader don't ask, please vote me. He gives money to the people. In this time, the vote is not a selection of a leader. It is commercial. Commercial means dabbuku ammudukovam. Sorry, Telugu. A true leader asks. So the people give vote to the leader, and the leader not true leader. So this is in the society, but not people like do that. Please vote me. The people ask, I will give to your vote, my vote for you. But what would it give me? What would do you do me? So like that. So the leader become true and do everything on every of the people. So this is the leader, true leaders inspiration. Thank you for this giving opportunity.
Wonderful, Ashwin. Next, we would like to invite SK Anjum from JPHS Girls Palvancha. Anjum. SK Anjum from JPHS Girls Palvancha. Right, get ready. 1, 2, 3, start.
Good morning to one and all.